Hello friends, in this episode we'll be replacing the lower control arm on a BMW G20. The owner was hearing loud knocking noises when driving over potholes, and after inspecting the suspension we found excessive play in the lower control arm ball joint. Let's get to work. First we remove the wheel. Do not use an impact wrench on the locking wheel bolt. Always place the wheel under the car as a secondary safety measure, especially if you don't have a jack stand. Removing the splash shield is very easy, so I'm not going to show that step. Next, disconnect the suspension level sensor rod. Here you can clearly see the play in the ball joint I mentioned earlier. This ball joint should not move at all. To remove the lower control arm bolt, you'll need an 18mm socket while holding the nut on the opposite side with an 18mm ring spanner. Here's the play again. Now we have a 21mm nut on the ball joint. We apply WD-40 and let it soak for a few minutes. This nut is tightened very firmly, so you'll need a longer breaker bar. You can also use this inexpensive extension bar. You can find similar ones on Amazon or Temu. Once the nut is loosened, we can continue using just the wrench. We'll apply a bit more WD-40 to help remove the ball joint. Now we'll use a hammer and an extension to strike directly on the ball joint pin. Next, we'll move to the workbench to remove the mounting clamp for the level sensor ball pin from the old control arm. To remove it, lift this retaining tab and push the end of the clamp outward. Before installation, apply ceramic anti-seize to the ball joint pin. The new control arm comes with a new nut, which can now be installed. To tighten it, we need to hold the ball joint pin using a 6mm Allen key. Hold the Allen key with a ring spanner and tighten the 21mm nut using another spanner. We'll apply the final tightening torque from above. According to official BMW service information, the tightening torque is 60 Nm plus 90 degrees. Now install the large control arm bolt, but the final torque must be applied only after the car is back on its wheels. Reinstalling the lever sensor mounting clamp is very straightforward. If hand pressure isn't enough, you can gently use pliers. Apply a small amount of grease to the ball joint so the suspension level sensor rod slides in easily. Reinstall the wheel and tighten the wheel bolts to 140 Nm. Now we can apply the final torque to the 18mm bolt, 100 Nm plus 90 degrees. And that was it for this BMW G20 equipped with the 2.0 liter 190 horsepower engine. We also have a complete service tutorial including the fuel filter replacement. You'll find that video linked in the description. I'm sure our tutorials will help you save a lot of money, so please support the effort behind this channel with a simple tap on the magic buttons, like, comment and subscribe. It's completely free. Until next time, all the best and goodbye.